I will talk about secretary bird, a killer queen. The secretary bird or secretary bird, Sagittarius serpentarius, is a large bird of prey that is endemic to Africa. It is mostly terrestrial, spending most of its time on the ground, and is usually found in the open grasslands and savanna of the sub-Saharan region. John Frederick Miller described the species in 1779. A member of the order Accipitriformes, which also includes many other diurnal birds of prey such as eagles, hawks, kites, vultures, and harriers, it is placed in its own family, the Sagittariidae. The secretary bird is instantly recognizable as a very large bird with an eagle-like body on crane-like legs that give the bird a height of as much as 1.3 meters, 4 feet 3 inches. The sexes are similar in appearance. Adults have a featherless, red-orange face and predominantly gray plumage, with a flattened dark crest and black flight feathers and thighs. Secretary birds form monogamous pairs and defend a large territory of around 50 square kilometers, 19 square miles. They can breed at any time of the year, more frequently in the late dry season. During courtship, they exhibit a nuptial display by soaring high with undulating flight patterns and calling with guttural croaking. Males and females can also perform a ground display by chasing each other with their wings up and back, which is also the way they defend their territories. They mate either on the ground or in trees. The nest is built by both sexes at the top of a dense, thorny tree, often an acacia, at a height between 2.5 and 13 m, 8 and 40 feet, above the ground. The nest is constructed as a relatively flat platform of sticks 1.0 to 1.5 m, 3 to 5 feet, across with a depth 30 to 50 centimeters, 12 to 20 in. The shallow depression is lined with grass and the occasional piece of dung. Eggs are laid at 2 to 3 day intervals until the clutch of 1 to 3 eggs is complete. The eggs hatch after around 45 days at intervals of 2 to 3 days. Both parents feed the young. The adults regurgitate food onto the floor of the nest and then pick up items and pass them to the chicks. Unlike most birds of prey, the secretary bird is largely terrestrial, hunting its prey on foot. Adults hunt in pairs and sometimes as loose familial flocks, stalking through the habitat with long strides. Prey may consist of insects such as locusts, other grasshoppers, wasps, and beetles, as well as millipedes, spiders, scorpions, and freshwater crabs, but small vertebrates often form their main biomass. Secretary birds are known to hunt rodents, frogs, lizards, small tortoises, eggs, and birds such as warblers, larks, doves, small hornbills, and domestic chickens. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.